Good morning. Loving greetings to all of my dearly beloved family of wonderfully divine brothers and sisters everywhere, all around the world. God bless us all. Namaste and Lak'ech Jayom Guru. Thank you, God, for another wonderfully divine spring day. Such a wonderful blessing. Thank you, God, for that blessing. Thank you, God. We love thee. And thank you, everyone, for joining in. Crystal Rainbow, good morning. Thank you, all of my brothers and sisters, for joining in each morning in this divine fellowship, sharing this Mayan Oracle wisdom. Thank you all. God bless you all. And we are continuing to focus our attention on these 13 galactic tones. And today is the 9th galactic tone. And today's galactic signature is BOLON CHUEN. So, as we've put quite a bit of attention on these solar frequencies, now we want to focus our attention a little deeper on these galactic tones and how, when these galactic tones come together with the solar frequency and describe the energies of each day, for us to tune in with the feeling of each day and have a more harmonious and stability in our life. So, this 9th galactic tone of BOLON is about, well, greater cycles and the qualities that describe and typify the greater cycles of BOLON are about completion, expansion, mastery, and fulfillment. BOLON. Well, BOLON's greater cycles are the grand design and larger cycles of time. Good morning, Paul. BOLON is the ray of greater cycles, the solar tone of intention, the foundation of self, opening to the 4 points of measure and cycle, as we can see here with the single bar representing the foundation of self, and coming together with these 4 dots or 4 points that represent measure and cycle. BOLON is the grand design, the unfolding order of the larger pattern. With BOLON, we are being offered the embrace of longed for completion. We can fulfill our pattern, our circle, by embodying the mastery and wisdom we came here to express. This ray of BOLON asks us to be rather than try to be. Let us embody the wisdom of the larger cycles. You know, you can become the one who shines the light for others. You are the humanitarian whose being unfolds the larger pattern of the new world. Each one of us, you know, are that. In this grand cycle of time, BOLON is the tone of completion and expansion. What is it that we are being asked to complete? Can you see the clues to this cycle of completion. As we expand, we can shed old patterns that don't support our growth. Let us receive completion's fulfillment. We are poised on an arc of a grand cycle of time, and in this cycle, time and space fold, past and futures merge, and lifetimes meld into completion. Let's join in the fulfillment of the mystery of the triple triangle by offering our mastery to be woven into the larger loom of reality. Good morning, Dennis and Marie. Good morning. Good morning. Now, when this tone of Balahun comes together and aligns with this solar frequency of black monkey chewing, we have what we call our galactic signature of the day. And today's galactic signature is Kin or Day 191, black solar monkey, Balahun chewing. Good morning, Kathy. Now, when we say black monkey, we're talking about this solar frequency of chewing. And when we say solar, we're referring to the solar tone of intention, the ninth galactic tone, Balahun. Now, after the harmonizing of the galactic tone of integrity yesterday, today comes the solar tone of intention. Black solar monkey, Bolon Chuen, guides and teaches us to master the illusion of the mind by lightening up and surrendering to the ever-present cosmorama of creation in order to determine our truest motivations and aspirations, which is the key to mobilizing in conjunction with the pulsing out of intelligent vibrational energy. Intuition is the power that precedes and supports all manifestation. Never underestimate the role of focused intention in harnessing momentum in this life. Good morning, El Dorado. Balahun Chuen reminds us that laughter heals, and to intentionally be the innocent child of the universe by allowing disruptions and transparencies in this magical play of illusion. The cauldron of creation is inviting us to mobilize toward our truest aspirations and motivations in order to open doors of unlimited possibilities, both through physical effort and by energetically transmitting our own will and desires out into the greater web of existence. Then, after setting intentional, conscious aim, we are asked to surrender control and release our attachment to future outcomes in order to shed the pains and illusions of evolution. The synergy of reciprocal vibrations echoes like a strong, steady heartbeat as we turn the wheels of reciprocity, setting things in motion and activating the power of inertia to bring forth essential circulation. And so that is our galactic signature for the day, Balon Chuen. And I pray that God blesses us and guides us and watches over us today, guiding us to, well, move through these greater cycles and get in harmony with these greater cycles, playing along with this energy today of Chuen, that monkey prankster. Thank you, God, for helping and guiding us with that today. Today and each and every day. Thank you, God. We love thee. God bless us all. Namaste and Lak'ech. Jayom Guru. And I want to encourage everyone to get on out there. Let's enjoy the day or the evening, wherever we may happen to be in the world. Brothers and sisters all around the world. Some are getting up and some are going to bed. And so many names are going by so fast, I can't catch them all, but I'll see them all later. I check every comment, every message. So, such a wonderful blessing that we all come together. Thank you all, thank you all, thank you all. God bless us all. Let's all come together today playing with that monkey prankster today. Let's enjoy it. Being devotion in motion, compassion in action, and joining in that wave of loveolution that's covering the world. God bless us all. Let's enjoy the day, everyone. Have a great day.